Hey folks, welcome to another VR video. Today I'm talking to you as both myself and as Aura. Aura is a experiment from the folks at Meta. The Meta Quest Pro has natural facial expression tracking as well as eye tracking, and as you can see as I lift my eyebrows, works pretty well. Uh, and of course, hand tracking 2.0. This may actually be 2.1 at this point. But I wanted to show off Aura, which is one of the actually first demos that folks that tried out the Quest Pro in press junkets were able to try, and for some reason hadn't come out on App Lab until fairly recently. So now we have the opportunity to check this out and get behind Aura's bells and whistles a little bit. We can see the histogram here. As I close my left eye, it shows a little bit more of that. Right eye, same thing. Look down, and so forth. Look up. Upper lid raiser. Look at that. Yeah. That's my jaw dropping. This is pretty cool. So you can actually see all of the different interactions that are being captured in this histogram. Pretty cool. And then the modifiers over here, if we click on this, you can actually set. So if it doesn't look right, you can actually change some of these modifiers to adjust to the person whose face is mapped to Aura. It's pretty cool stuff. But this is something that is somewhat open source. You can actually go out to GitHub, grab the project, pull it into your own project, and use this particular tech demo to show off what you can do in your own games or your own applications. So maybe you wanted to map your character using the natural facial expression tracking and the eye tracking and the hand tracking from the Quest Pro device. Unfortunately, it is limited right now to the Quest Pro because other Quest devices and other devices that would support this particular application do not have the natural facial expression tracking, the eye tracking, and the hand tracking all in one device. But, you know, future devices may. It's pretty cool, though, that you could take a Quest Pro device and do your own type of character capture with their faces and the eyes and the hands. And, you know, it seems pretty lifelike to me. Let's see. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Wink. Yeah, so as I'm doing those movements, it's mapping them pretty naturally, and it's working really well. So you could actually make a character that has a lot more depth than your standard, bog standard character that just kind of stares like this. Okay, it's not even going to stare like that because, again, it was looking at my eyes. So if you're cool with the way that Meta takes your data and uses natural expression tracking for their applications, you can pull this data into your own application. All this stuff that's captured in this histogram using Aura. I'll put a link to the GitHub. I'll also put a link to the App Lab project so you can download this and try out this experience for yourself. And I'm going to be trying out other tech demos from Meta in the near future, so you'll be able to see some of the other stuff that they've put together for their different interaction and audio and other SDKs so that you can see kind of a little bit about a future of what they're looking at developers building, what they're focused on giving developers the tool to build in the future. It was cool to meet Aura today. Kind of a mirror image of myself, but much greener, much more feminine. I kind of like the kind of flowery headdress hair. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. I notice when my hands come too close to the bottom of the headset, it goes a little nuts, or if they go out of range, it goes a little crazy. But the natural facial interactions, because again, they're all happening in my face where the cameras are already pointed and my face isn't going anywhere, work great. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick look at Aura. I'll be back with more content soon. Aura probably won't be. Until next time, get out there and enjoy some VR for yourself, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.